Breaking news. A pair of violent earthquakes have just struck Taiwan. Tsunami warnings have been issued and multiple buildings have collapsed after the massive 7.5 earthquake struck Taiwan. Numerous reports indicate strong and violent shaking with multiple buildings swaying and some collapsing. Residents have been urged to evacuate immediately. Thank you to Raw Alerts and several local reporters for the following video clips.
里面有没有人？赶快离开！里面还有人吗？哎，那个不要摸那个电线，很危险！不要摸电线。 那个瓦斯有瓦斯
冲的地震，汤方，冲的地震，汤方。哦，你看这里，我的车在这边。
倒了，房子倒了，歪了，房子歪了。哎。
Please keep everyone involved in your prayers. This is a developing story, and I'm sure there will be several updates to this throughout the night.